I'm Ashley from Team Swagbucks. We're really excited to show you guys a new part of the site that's just for you. It's called the Influencers Dashboard. I'm here to show you how it works. You can access the Influencer Dashboard at any time by looking under the Earn menu of the Swagbucks top bar. The dashboard currently has three main areas: blog content, just for you, and sponsorships. Blog content is where you can find content that you're free to share anywhere. You'll find a library of content that you can use to share Swagbucks with your communities. The featured piece of content will always be shaded blue and appear at the top of the page. You can also use the search bar in the upper right-hand corner. Click the See Details button when you've found the content you want to post about. The first thing you'll notice is the special referral link at the top of the page. It's specific to that piece of content, and while it works just like your normal referral links, it'll help with tracking when the analytics portion of the dashboard goes live. It's very important that you use these links whenever possible. Click the copy button and the link will automatically be copied to your dashboard. Every piece of content contains a brief description and talking points so that you can write your own post, and an image you can either embed in your post or download. We also offer a pre-written piece of text that you're free to copy as either text or HTML by clicking the corresponding button. Although we know some of you prefer the pre-written text, we also suggest that you make a few changes. You know the voice of your blog better than we do. Once your post is published, share the link with us by clicking the green Submit My Content button. A window will appear asking you to tell us which piece of content you're submitting a link for. When you paste your link into the box, make sure it's the full URL, otherwise you'll get an error message. Click the plus button to add the link to your submission. If you posted a piece of content in multiple places, you can continue to paste links in the box and click the button to add them. You can also include notes with your submission to let us know any additional information about your post. For example, was it combined with other information? Did you post it as part of a contest? Let us know. If you've written an original Swagbucks post, you can submit that too. From the Submit My Content window, go to the drop-down menu in the upper left-hand corner and select Other. You will then be able to submit a link to your post without having to select one of our pieces of content. You are, however, required to add notes so that you can tell us what you wrote about. Submitting links is an important way to let us know you're engaged with the program. It also helps us create content that's better suited for you. The Just For You section contains information about perks and earning opportunities that are exclusive to you as influencers. You can see more details about any specific item by clicking on the See Details button. You'll also notice that these items have a specific start and end date, and may involve your taking specific actions to qualify for them. Sponsorships is the place to go if you want to see what upcoming conferences we're offering sponsorship for. This list will always be evolving, and soon we'll have a way for you to directly submit your media kit for consideration. We're always open to sponsoring online giveaways or sending you to conferences that aren't necessarily on our radar, so always feel free to email us with any requests. Over the next few months, we'll be doing a series of upgrades to the dashboard, including exclusive opportunities to earn and get rewards, analytics for your referrals, and more. If you have any questions or any suggestions for us, please email us at the email below. I'm Ashley from Swagbucks. Thanks for watching.